Taiwan and the self-declared state of Somaliland have agreed to set up representative offices in each other's capitals. Taiwan's foreign ministry made the announcement on Wednesday, saying that bilateral talks began last November before the deal was finalized in February.
Foreign Minister Joseph Wu said the two offices would be called the Taiwan Representative Office and the Somaliland Representative Office.
We
are not establishing formal diplomatic ties with them, so we won't be using ROC in the name. No party had put pressure on us. Both sides agreed that this kind of relationship based on official representation would be the most mutually beneficial.
Located in East Africa, Somaliland obtained independence from the United Kingdom in May 1960. The British government had intended for the territory to unite with the Trust Territory of Somaliland, which was scheduled to gain independence from Italy later that year. The two territories did join to form the Somali Republic, but a civil war broke out in 1999. That year, 5 local authorities unilaterally declared independence for Somalia and established the Republic of Somaliland. The self-declared status had its own democratically elected government, but its independence is not recognized by any country in the world.